Hey, today I want to talk a bit about the new OpenSUSE 10.3. It's now more home user oriented than ever before. It supports multimedia. It has a brand new GUI. What's new in OpenSUSE? Some great improvements were made to the initial boot scripts, and so Linux boots faster than ever before. SUSE 10.3 now supports a hassle-free installation of software, which means that you have a one-click install. You just click the file and it installs, which is really cool because the installation of software was basically most people's reason to get away from Linux and use something different, because installation is just so stupid. There's a new package management. It's really more mature than before. Then there's Compiz, spelled Compiz, and Compiz Fusion, which is a mixture of Compiz and Beryl. Compiz is used to take some really spectacular and cool effects to your desktop, but it's not really necessary, it's just eye candy. Windows have a blurring effect. Compiz has the ability to highlight particular areas of the screen, or to just draw on any part of it, which is really useful for presentations. The animation plugin produces beautiful window effects and window transformations. There are cube effects. If you have multiple desktops, you can switch them and you see a cube turning around. And they've added some accessibility features and some functionality. The new SUSE comes with a new version of the KDE. KDE 4 comes with transparency and all the stuff, and wow, it looks really good. Furthermore, there's more options of virtualization of other operating systems. First, we have VirtualBox. It's a really good open source software. Then we have Xen 3.1. Then we have a virtual machine YaST mode. And we also have a kernel-based virtual machine. But I don't think that it's really easy to use, but I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet. And another good thing about SUSE 10.3 is the new updating tool, which automatically tells you about newer versions of programs. There's now a really improved multimedia support in SUSE 10.3, which is, I think, really a key argument why you should use it. And going with it is a codec installer, which automatically installs new codecs. So, because earlier the new codec installer is part of the multimedia features. It allows you to easily install unknown codecs and use them. The main thing about SUSE 10.3 is that it's now more home user oriented than ever, and it became really usable for the average user. SUSE Linux 10.3 can now really compete with other operating systems.
J'ai la peau douce dans mon bain de mousse. Je m'éclabousse, j'en ris. Mon poisson bouge dans mon bain de mousse. Je l'emmitoufle, je lui dis: j'ai pas de problème, je fainéante, pas de malaise, je fainéante. Dans l'eau je baigne, c'est l'important, bien à mon aise, dans l'air du temps. J'ai la peau douce dans mon bain de mousse. Je bulle à l'ombre des bombes. Tout est délice ici, délit docile. Je fais la liste des choses qui m'indisposent. J'en ai marre de ceux qui pleurent, qui ne roulent qu'à 2 à l'heure, qui se lamentent et qui se fixent sur l'idée d'une idée fixe. J'en ai marre de ceux qui râlent, des extrémistes à 2 balles, qui voient la vie tout en noir, qui m'expédient dans cafard. J'en ai marre de la grande sœur, qui gémit tout et qui pleure, marre de la pluie des courgettes, qui me font vomir sous la couette. J'en ai marre de ces cyniques, et dans les prés l'école chic, j'en ai marre d'en avoir marre. Oh si, j'ai la peau douce dans mon bain de mousse. Pas de secousse sismique.